How to trade on Binance mobile app for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to trade on Binance mobile app for beginners. First of all, you need to go and log into your Binance account, and when you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to the home page. It's gonna look something like this. Now while you're on this page, you need to tap the tab bar icon or the logo from the top left hand side corner. Then you need to go to trading or spot. You just have to go and tap on the more button, and then you type in trading. As you press on the trading inside or trading button, it's going to take you to the another field where you could go ahead and see the charts. So here what you have to do is just select the asset that you wish to go with or that you wish to trade. Move the cursor over to the price on the trading chart, and then you could just move the cursor over to the price on the trading chart and you'll see a plus button. After placing the order, you can check it under open order button in order to confirm the transaction, and that is how you can trade on Binance mobile app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.